In today's video, I'm going to be making Chickpea Blondie Brownies. Now they're super easy, simple and delicious. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. Now I've got a can of chickpeas here and I have peeled them and patted them dry. As you can see, that's the moisture on the tissue paper there. Then I added in 1 cup of nut butter, and I'm actually using 2 different types here. I've got smooth peanut butter and crunchy almond butter in there as well. Yes, and silly me just realised that I forgot to put the blade in the processor, so tip for you, don't forget that. What I'm doing is I'm just scraping down the mixture because it tends to get stuck. And then I've got some sugar in here, blending it up. I've got salt, some baking powder, and then I just blend it up. After this is combined, I take some pre-cut up chocolate. I'm using dairy milk chocolate. And I add that into the mixture and blend it just a little. Then I split the mixture into 2 and scoop half of it onto the baking tray, and I mixed in cocoa powder, and after that I just pressed it down until it looks like this. And I also added in some dark chocolate chips, pushed them into the mixture so that it looked like that, and it's ready to go in the oven.